Yeah, hello guys, welcome to webinar channel once more. I have an important update for you guys. I told you to keep your dial logged on this channel. I constantly bring to you major airdrop signals on this channel. So one of the reasons why you need to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and then also hit the like button on the video, okay, so that we'll keep this community growing. So I have this new project I'm going to introduce to you guys. It's an airdrop. It's actually not for stream babies in cryptocurrency, but it has big potential. So I'm just going to head straight to it now. I'm going to the browser now. I'm going to input the link, of which the link I will put it in the description below. Or you can check the description, you'll see my referral link for this project. It's at the link. All right, so this link, you're going to be seeing it in the description section down below. Okay, so that referral link. So let's take a look at this project, what it's all about. It says manage your crypto spending with the serenity of TradeFi. Now Paylink helps you track, verify, and organize all your crypto payments in a single dashboard. The best part, it's connected with all the tools you use daily. Okay, so this is cool. I think I saw something almost close to this on Akam. Yeah, I don't know if you're on Akam yet. Now there are two ways to this. You can either buy their pre-sale or you claim their airdrop. But before we go into one of these two, so let's look at what they are really about. Let's look at their mission, Paylink's mission. Paylink's vision is to enable Web3 users access to a seamless single transaction process and promote cross-chain liquidity from the one blockchain to the other. So that's more like bringing everything together into one place. So the pre-sale and airdrop ends in 117 days and 4 hours, 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Now their listing price is one pay link is equal to $2. That's something. I think liquidity we add to the pancake swap exchanges on 31st December. So that's when they go live, 31st December 2023. So you can either join the pre-sale. So to buy Paylink, 0.01 BNB is equal to 600 Paylinks, and then you can also buy 10 BNB is equal to 600,000 Paylink, and then you know what that means. When you have 600 of this, 600 of this pre-sale at 0.01, you know how much it means, times $2 per Paylink token. All right, so all you just need to do is edit this place and put whatever amount of a BNB you wish to buy, and then you hit on buy. It goes straight, and then you can also claim the airdrop here, the free airdrop. I think they're giving 400 200. Yes, they are giving 200 to the first 10,000 people. And then they also have the referral section where you can easily enter your BEP20 address, and then you get the referral link. Don't worry, I will put you through on how you can get the contract address to activate the token in your Trust wallet or in your MetaMask, whichever the case may be. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do hit the subscription button below. And meanwhile, let us head straight to claiming the airdrop first. We always make sure to change this Ethereum to smart chain, BNB smart chain. Yes, make sure to change this to BNB smart chain. Then so claim airdrop, we hit here, then it's trying to connect to our wallet now, so we connect to the wallet. And remember also, like we mentioned, for safety reasons, always create a new wallet for your airdrop. So every airdrop, okay, create a new wallet so you can at least stay secured and secure your funds. I'm connecting this now. Meanwhile, I have selected that is smart chain BNB. So it's going to charge me approximately $1.78 for this airdrop, of which I'm ready to pay. So I have some BNB. If you do not have BNB in your wallet, you cannot do this. So network fee maximum 0.06. So I'm going to hit approve right now. So approve, and I'm approving this, and then it's going to tell me airdrop claimed. Yeah, so that's it. Airdrop has been claimed. So what's left for me to do now is to go ahead and get my wallet address. Okay, okay, this is the contract address now. So this is the contract address. I copy the contract address. It's asking for my BEP20. So all we want to do now is to copy out our referral link so that we can at least get more people. Say referral to get 80% BNB plus 100% pay link per airdrop and buy. Referral, no limit to referral. So now we want to enter our BEP20 address here. So meanwhile, we'll need to create that token first in our wallet. Remember, we have to exit this place and go back to our wallet. You know how we do it, how to create a new token. Yeah, there and here. Then changes to smart contracts and then paste the contract address. So it brings out everything automatically, and then we hit on save. So already now the airdrop, the 200 pay link tokens is already in the wallet. So all we just need to do is hit on receive and copy. So we are going back to the pay link page on the browser, so we can copy this thing out, so we can insert our wallet address. Yeah, that's the wallet address. Then get referral link. So this is our referral link. Now same place, same station, same channel, just copy the referral link. And I said, okay, so this referral link is what you have to share among with your friends, with your community, to get more referrals onto this project. Remember, they said it's for the first 10,000 people, and it goes live by December 31st, 2023. So guys, that's the update on this particular airdrop. And if you still want to buy, more, let's just click on buy the pre-sale up to that. So it says 0.01. Let's hope I have up to that in BNB. Okay, yes, I think I do. So it's trying to charge me 220. I'm approving it, and then okay. So that's it. I just bought into the pre-sale. So all we just need to do now is go back into our wallet to go check the token out, to go check the one we just bought. We also there's pay link, so we open it up. So that's the pre-sale. We bought 600 watts, and then it's there right now. It's 800. So that's it basically, guys. That's the new project, and then I hope you guys will jump on it. It's a risk worth taking. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. All right, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please remember to subscribe, and then so that this will keep us going. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.